Hello grade 10s. This is our very first module of engineering, graphics and design, and we are going to be discussing freehand drawings. Freehand drawings forms an integral part of design. Just keep in mind that you are going to be using these skills later on when we are going to do project work. Freehand drawings is a unique skill that needs to be developed over a period of time and will allow you to make certain hand movements without the use of any straight edge like a ruler, set square and so on. It really develops your ability to be able to bring about a design which is in your headspace over onto a piece of paper. And the quickest way of projecting an idea is to be able to freehand sketch it on a piece of paper. So there are a few hand movements which you will experience during your freehand drawing activities, and I want to go through some of those. The first movement that you will have is going to be drawing lines horizontally, and that line can go from left to right or right to left. Then you will have lines going from top to bottom or bottom to top. You will have your diagonal lines going from bottom left to top right, or alternatively you will have bottom right to top left. And then of course you can have circular movements as well in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. So these are some of the hand movements and skills which you will develop in the next few activities. Let's look at our first activity. The instruction clearly states that you need to use a pencil and an eraser, both these two items, only to be able to perform the freehand sketch. This is a computer logo. Everybody is familiar with this computer logo. It is a power button. You will have to take this computer logo and project it into this space over here, twice the size that it is. So if you examine very closely what you have here, you will find that we have a circle on the outside. There is another circle on the inside, slightly smaller, and then we have a third smaller circle situated here as well. Of course, here you will have this shape that you will see here. So you will have to work from outside to the inside of your freehand sketch. It is important for you to ensure that you break this up into manageable portions. So what I would suggest is that you create a center of the entire shape that you will see here, which that would be your center. You can of course have your diagonals like that, going from left side to the right side, and then of course you can make sure that these become your markers as you will be able to transform this into the freehand sketch here in the blank screen. The only measuring tool you are going to use is going to be your fingers. Please, you are not allowed to use a ruler. So if it's going to be twice the size, that is going to be the size that it is here, scale 1:1. And if you move it from 2:1, you're going to double that size in terms of how you're going to place and to be able to enlarge that. Please watch carefully how I convert this computer logo into this space over here using only my pencil and eraser.